and the guy in the forest thing just come back, and this fat big pterodactyl literally opened the well, and the girl literally followed it. The woman followed it and tried to find it, and also it is trying to shoot at it. And this thunder is literally stunned it.
Okay, continue. Continue.
And back to the place, they're stuck, and the little girl that we talked earlier in the family managed to go in the thing, and they managed. When the girl was about to open the thing, the baby dinosaurs literally just screamed to make the little girl know that there was a T-Rex coming. Like, direction coming, direction coming, direction literally screamed. The dinosaur screamed because there's literally a T-Rex, that massive predator that didn't even notice the girl, the little girl that opened the gate, and all of them were cooked.
Okay.
This T-Rex found the little girl, and he tried, and the hot guy used like a flare stick to attract the T-Rex, and managed to go in these water rivers, and the one that had the hot guy swim at the river, and then it got cut, and I thought the hot guy died, but I will tell you earlier. And they managed to go back to the boat thanks to the guy, and also the little girl made it to the boat safely. Just thanks to the guy, they managed to get the boat off because they destroyed the system.
Okay.
And they literally just pulled the boat, and they tried driving it, and this T-Rex also come, and the other girl, the girlfriend, found the light of the flare and the flare stick, and it got gone. That's when I thought the haunted guy that died, but I will tell you earlier. And after that, they literally see this T-Rex coming out of nowhere, but sitting there. It's at their back. That's why they just drive forward.
Okay.
And the T-Rex just literally about to eat them, but they escape. That's why they just come back to the place. Just go back to the place because they already escaped.
And
how I forgot this one.
Yeah. And how does this end?
With the family, they found this thing. The girlfriend literally go inside of this place. They got the inflatable pool, and they found this Tyrannosaurus Rex. Also, before that happened, there was a Dilophosaurus literally trying to scare up the Dilophosaurus. It's like a small. It is a small predator, but still too scared.
Okay.
It will use its fangs here, making a circle, and trying to scare the people. But the little girl literally didn't even scream. That's why the raptor that Dilophosaurus just didn't care and just go back and just literally just run away. I wanna run away. And while this girl was getting the inflatable pool, this Tyrannosaurus Rex just wake up, and then he roared, and then found this pterodactyl literally flying that attracted that moving T-Rex, and they inflated the boat, and they made the whole family got in the boat. And after that, they boat, and this Tyrannosaurus Rex literally found them and literally running into it. Make that sound, and literally just like swimming the boat like so fast as it can, and then going to one very deep waters, and then this T-Rex literally swam like a Spinosaurus, and then flipped the whole boat, like what happened earlier. They flipped the inflatable boat, and all the family made it to the rock safely, but except for the little girl. The little girl was in the inflatable pool, but this one didn't happen before the T-Rex, okay?
Okay.
This is before the T-Rex. Literally this T-Rex later ate the whole inflatable boat, and this little girl managed to make it back, while the T-Rex was following it and managed to also make it to the rock and making the T-Rex stuck, but managed to get out also. And then he just bring back the inflatable boat like there's like literally no snow scratch. What is that inflatable boat? Giga-chan? Like why did nothing happen? It's literally the T-Rex literally bite on it, throwed it, and still there's literally no scratch.
Okay.
Like, what is that boat? Is it the boat made out of titanium?
I guess.
Is that boat made of like titanium? Like what? Bro, what? They managed to swim back, and this lizard just later appeared from nowhere at that tree, and the lizard just didn't care about them. And that's what I only know. And also, wait, I forgot to tell you, when the boat goes forward,
sit properly.
There was a flare flying, and then get by this man, the hot guy man is that I thought that he was dead but still alive. He was actually still alive and made it on the boat and made them safely. And while the little dinosaur also made it, and also is inside the boat.
Ah, okay. They live in. Yeah.
Actually, he didn't lie about his saying, "I'm bringing this home." The little girl said, "I'm bringing this home."
I see.
Home.
Yeah.
And he didn't lie about that because when they're about to go back to their home place, literally the dinosaur was still inside. Yes, the dinosaur is literally just watching the view. And that's the end of the story.
Ah, galing ng story.
Also, not almost all of them I explained, but also not all of them.
Okay, okay.